Which of the following predicate calculus statements is are valid? We have given four options, which in this which are valid. So, in order to know validity, we should remember four famous formula of mathematical logic. First is for all. For all is distributed over and. For all px and qx by imply for all px and for all x qx. Second, there exist is distributed over or. There exist x px or qx by imply there exist x is distributed to both x px or there exist x qx. What happens when for all has to be distributed over or? Let's see. For all x px or qx, there exist x px and qx. How for all is distributed over all and how there exist is distributed over and. See, there exist x px and there exist x qx. It is implication in one direction only, not both direction as in this way. Here for all x px or for all x qx, it is implication in reverse direction. These terms imply this term and this term imply this term when for all has to be distributed over all. These are the four famous formula of mathematical logic you should know. Now according to option A is very much not, it is 100% similar to this formula. So A is correct answer. Rest are wrong. It is absolutely wrong. It is absolutely, so these three are not valid.